Okay, Vinak, welcome to today's media briefing on tropical depression 02F. Tropical depression 02F is located 13.2 degrees south and 177.5 degrees. It is approximately 92 kilometers due south-southeast of Rotuma and 510 kilometers to the north of Nandi at 3 p.m. today. Over the course of the last 6 hours, the system has slowly moved towards the south at around 4 kilometers per hour. As you've reiterated earlier on, that it's a very slow moving system. But on the current projection, the system, as we see, is expected to, this is where the center of the system is. So over the course of the next 24 to even 48 hours, we expect the system to intensify gradually as it moves towards the west of us, and by stating that at its closest point it's expected to be around 500 kilometers due west of Nandi. It is not a very big system, it is a small major system, but we anticipate that in the next 24 hours it will develop into a tropical cyclone, and as such it will be far away from us. It doesn't pose any direct threat to Fiji, but the associated weather, that is the heavy rain which we are already experiencing, and the strong southeasterly winds which we're also getting right now, is going to expect it to persist for the next even into Saturday and even into Sunday before the winds eventually ease as systems move to the far south of us. With that being stated, there is a heavy rain warning that is already in force for Fiji. That is with the rain bands that are associated with it, and also a strong warning for all mariners due to the strong southeasterly winds around 25 to up to 30 knots at times, and also for the land areas of Vanuatu and also the Sawa and Lau and Loma Viti group, and also for Viti Levu as well. With the anticipation, with the advice on the people is to keep a lookout for developments as we monitor the system very closely, and to take a heed of the warnings that are coming out, especially for movement, maritime movement, and for the general movement looking into the weekend, people to plan accordingly with the rain that's on us and the strong winds as well. This station, some of our reports that are coming in that we are already getting good rainfall, especially to the north. Our stations that are to the north, with them being exposed initially to the rain band, good reports are coming on the ground that we're getting good rain, and also from some of our stations and some of the observers that are out there that are calling us to inform us on the development, and especially those on the west that in Rakiraki and also in Tabua. Some of them have been calling just to inform us that they're getting rain which is associated with this particular system. With members of the public to keep a lookout on the warnings that are coming out, especially with in terms of the rain that we're already getting, and also more importantly for mariners out there, the consistently strong southeasterly winds, to keep a lookout on their movement, and also especially when we're looking into the weekend activities that are going to be carried out, bearing in mind that we have a heavy rain warning for Fiji and also for the strong winds that is out there.